Hello, agents. You've found American Modern's Quick Quotes, a show where we hope our quotes about specialty insurance help you quote more specialty insurance. We've assembled a top team from across the U.S. today. Hosting from Cincinnati is AVP of Sales Bob Foreman, and he's joined by territory sales managers Ariana Richter, who's just outside San Francisco and part of the West region, Ann Hebel in Newport, Kentucky, serving the Midwest region, and from Rochester, New York, Jimmy Stack, who works the East region. So from sea to shining sea, we've got you covered.
All right, let's rock and roll. If anybody follows you on LinkedIn, they've seen your 1 in 3 campaign congratulatory videos. Can you tell us a little bit about the 1 in 3 that we're continuing? Ariana, take it away.
Yes, I love our 1 in 3 incentive. It's something we have available all year, and typically we start them every March and go till the end of November, and this year we started it in January, so we get more months to play our 1 in 3 incentive. And essentially what it is agents register with their own credentials to participate with American Modern, and you're doing these simple activities you already do every day through our platform, whether it's finding new business with Easy Pay or submitting a new quote, and you gain points through those activities. And once you've gained 25 points, you are entered into a random drawing to win a $100 gift card. So I'm pretty excited about it. I always talk to my agents about it, and you have a chance to win every single month, so it's pretty exciting.
Yeah, and you get the most points for binding a policy on Easy Pay, which has over a 98% retention rate. So
that's right. You get 9 points with that, I believe.
All right. Hey, Jimmy, you wearing makeup?
No. Why, do I look like it?
I may have had to have a little touch up this morning.
Smooth it all out, Bob.
All right, for this next one, we're going to go west to east. So, Ariana, we'll start out with you. Where would you say our products and American Modern in general rise to the occasion where our competition may fall short?
Yeah, that's a great question, Bob. One of the things I really like to talk about that I don't think is just totally out there are tiny homes. So we actually cover tiny homes through our manufactured home program. And out here in the West, and I'm sure all over the country, there are many developments that are starting to come up. So that's new opportunity there. So really just wanted to share that we do cover those, and they can be written through our manufactured home program. Another unusual risk that we get asked about a lot are pools and trampolines. Many carriers out there just want nothing to do with that, and American Modern is able to cover both pools and trampolines. We do ask for a yard fence, okay? So we need a fence around the yard at least 4 feet high, but we don't need a fence around the actual pool. So those are some great niche things there for our agents to know.
Yeah, trampolines is a good one. I've even been asked, what about 2 trampolines on a single property? So, yeah. Or trampolines in the front yard. I've seen that around around here as well. All right,
Ann.
All right, Ann, how about you?
Actually, thanks a lot, Bob. I'll tell you what, where American Modern really rises to the occasion is claims. We all talk about our products that we have to offer, but when it comes down to it, settling the loss is really the most important thing that we could do for our customers as well as our agents. We truly have a top-notch claim department. They're very knowledgeable and professional. They know the products in and out. It is a very rare occasion that I get a complaint on our claims department. So I just wanted to give a holler out to claims and just let everyone know that, we really truly have a top-notch claims division when it comes down to it, and that's really why we're here.
Yeah, I completely agree. And 2020 was a year unlike any other from a claims standpoint. It started in the beginning of the year, and it continued on with derechos and hurricanes and obviously the wildfires all across the western half of the United States. So, but our claims really rose to the occasion last year.
Absolutely.
All right, Jimmy.
Yeah, thanks, Bob. I think really from my perspective, the value that we bring to the marketplace is really giving all of our agent partners the ability to say yes to more customers and expanding beyond their core markets, which is traditionally, homeowners, private passenger auto, slap on an umbrella, ask for referrals. I mean, any personal lines agent does that. They do it every day, all day long. And if you think about what we've talked about today, we've heard tiny homes, we've heard professional landlord, / investors, we've heard, the ability to accept risks that have trampolines and pools and you name it. I mean, we really haven't even scratched the surface. We haven't talked about collector vehicle or water sports or vacant coverage. And so really what we bring to the marketplace is our specialty niche products and our expertise that is built into every single one of those products. Back that up with really world-class claims handling abilities. And I just think that we're a wonderful company that any agent really should value in terms of a partnership and, work with us to help you as an agent grow your business and grow your business from a new business perspective and retain all those customers that you've worked so hard to really get over the years. So in the end, it's all about saying yes to more customers and then from an American Modern perspective, letting us take really, really good of those customers from the claims side of things.
Yeah, you mentioned our complementary products, and I think some of those that you mentioned may be a topic for a future episode. So Jimmy, I think you just volunteered yourself. All right, it looks like we're out of time. Special thanks to the team for all of your insights today. And agents, we would love to hear from you. So please feel free to comment below, and hopefully we'll see you all soon. Until next time, thank you.